I learned this trick with a friend from Italy. Now I only make chicken like this. Start by cutting a whole chicken. Make a lengthwise cut in the breastbone, splitting it in half. Next, flip the chicken over and loosen the skin from the back just like I'm doing. Take this time to share this video and write in the comment section the name of the city from which you're watching it, and we'll make sure to leave a heart, especially for you. Oh, and thanks for sharing this video. After doing that, cut 6 cloves of garlic. Cut them into slices, then chop them into smaller pieces. Now place these pieces of garlic on top of 200 grams of softened unsalted butter. Fill the chicken with it, placing it under the skin, and spread out evenly using a rolling pin. Then, season with a pinch of salt, a pinch of black pepper, and set aside. In a large skillet over medium to low heat, add enough vegetable oil to cover the bottom, and when the oil is hot, add 6 cloves of garlic and fry them until golden brown. Have you got That Recipe app? It's already available for download. With this app, you'll have access to all our recipes in the palm of your hands, and you'll get notified every time we upload a new recipe. In addition to all that, you'll also have access to an exclusive area in which you can bookmark your favorite recipes. Go to the App Store or Play Store now, type That Recipe, and download it. Now, remove the garlic cloves from the skillet, add the butter-stuffed chicken, and fry until golden brown. This is the right point. Remove from the skillet and set aside. Next, in a small bowl, add parsley to taste, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of honey, 2 tablespoons of Dijon mustard, 2 tablespoons of ketchup, 1 teaspoon of salt, a pinch of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of sweet paprika, and mix everything very well until combined. This is the right mix. Now, spread the seasoning mixture all over the chicken using a brush. I hope you're enjoying the recipe. Share it with your friends. By doing so, you'll be helping us go even further. After doing that, in a baking bag, make a bed with 2 red onions sliced into rings. Add the chicken we prepared. Close the baking bag. Place it in a large skillet over medium to low heat. Cover the skillet and let it roast for 30 minutes. This is the right point. That recipe is ready. You may now serve and enjoy it.